For decades, Intercape has been a leader within the intercity, charter and freight transport service in South Africa. Adherence to safety regulations set out by authorities is a top priority for Intercape and its affiliated companies. We go above and beyond these regulations and have formulated additional procedures to ensure we operate in accordance to our core value of safety. All drivers report for duty at their respective depot operation rooms. Before the briefing process is done, all the drivers must sign on by giving a breathalyzer test and declare they are fit and ready to take on the trip they have been rostered to. Once the breathalyzing process is done, they are briefed by a senior fleet controller where details about their respective trips are outlined. During these briefing sessions, the driver is taken through the contents of the permits for their specific routes and made aware of the hazards that they may encounter en route. Highlighted hazards include roadworks, weather conditions, mountain passes, or any unrest. Speed is also discussed, with emphasis on speed limits and the maximum speed authorized for the specific vehicle. Vehicle pre- and post-checks are done before and after every trip with a tablet or cellular device to ensure immediate information availability and to curb any paper waste. Brake testing is done at our own state-of-the-art brake test facilities. This brake test procedure adheres to the same standards of a full COF test. Any discrepancy gets recorded on a job card and immediately rectified by the workshop personnel in one of our fully equipped workshops. All Intercape coaches are subjected to a 3-month voluntary COF test and again to a 6-month compulsory COF test at accredited stations across the country or at one of our 7 depots. Once the vehicle is declared 100% fit for duty by the workshop manager, the coach is taken to our wash bay. At the wash bay, the chassis and engine get cleaned with a high-pressure hose. Thereafter, the coaches are thoroughly cleaned inside and outside before being taken to the ready bay. At the ready bay, drivers inspect their vehicles to ensure they are clean, roadworthy, and licenses are valid. Upon departure from the depots, the Central Operations Room take control of the vehicle and driver, who is identified by using a unique registered driver tag. Central Operations manage them through mixed telematics tracking system. Vehicles are tracked on a 24-hour basis across all countries traveled. Monitoring includes speeding, time-use arrivals and departures, destinations en route, weather conditions, and road conditions. The authorized continuous driving time of a driver may not exceed 4 hours. The changeovers take place at stops where passengers embark or disembark en route. The speed limit on highways for Intercape is 98 km per hour and 80 km per hour for Intercape Freightliner. A maximum speed limit of 60 km per hour is set for mountain passes. Safe, dependable, and affordable is our brand promise, and we strive to meet this 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year to ensure driver and passenger safety. Successful safety measures implementation requires a change in attitude, mindset, and ultimately behavior so that road safety is actively promoted within this company. To conclude, Intercape partnered with Safely Home to ensure safe roads for our passengers, drivers, and road users. Intercape has been doing this for many years and will continue to make safety our priority. Please sit back, relax, and let us do the driving.